subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei has launched its new mid-range 5G phone under Nova series in China called Nova 8 SE, and it is the successor to the earlier launched Nova 7 SE smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 8 SE features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it supports HDR10. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset for the standard variant or Dimensity 800U chipset for the higher edition. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the Huawei Nova 8 SE supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a square module that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad-ray cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, it has an 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with EMUI 10.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 3800 mAh battery that supports 66 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with thermal heat dissipation system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 74.8 by 7.46 millimeters, and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova 8 SE has been priced in China for standard edition at 2,599 Chinese yuan, while the higher edition is priced at 2,699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from November 11th in Clear Sky, Silver Moon and Stars, Deep Sea Blue and Magic Night Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 8 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.